Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the sound and notifications, and here you have Do Not Disturb. You can set it to automatically decline incoming calls. You can set up priority only allows, which means like the exceptions for this mode could be alarms, reminders, events, messages, calls. You can add approved contacts, which can interrupt you anytime, and you can enable repeat callers, allow the same person second call within 15-minute period. But to enable Do Not Disturb mode, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have Do Not Disturb button. And from here also you can access some of its settings. I mean this one. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.